Now you are watching Tradhat Tutors, and the topic of today is how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So first of all, we are going to Google Chrome browser and just search here virtualbox.org. I'm going to download the VirtualBox from the site of I'm going on downloads. Just download for your host machine. My host machine is Windows, so I am going to download for Windows. If you had Linux or any other host machine, then download. OS X is for Mac OS. And those who have Windows, then click on it and the download is just start. Now I am going to cancel it because I already downloaded it. So here my VirtualBox. Now I am going to teach you how to install Kali Linux ISO file. So just search Kali Linux. So now we are going to the official site of Kali Linux, which is this. So here we go, guys. Now please download the Kali Linux according to your software. My software is 64-bit. Please download the installer Kali Linux, which is best for our. Now it's your opinion which you want to download, torrent or another site. Now I am going to download Kali Linux installer from torrent. I am going to click it. So as you can see, file is downloaded. You can install it from Torchlight by clicking on this file. So I am not going to install it because I had Kali Linux there. After installing Kali Linux, like this, which is an Kali Linux VirtualBox, and please double click on this. It's automatically import on VirtualBox, and like here, click on import, agree, and it starts going to be imported. I'm going to stop this. So as you can see, Kali Linux is successfully imported. I'm going to start the Kali Linux. The username and the password. So it's a default username which is Kali, and the password is also Kali, as same as username. So I'm gonna login. successful login on Kali Linux. As you can see, here are the applications of the Kali Linux. These are information gathering tools like Nmap, which is most useful for Wi-Fi tracking. And here are another tools like password attacks, wireless attacks, etc. And now I am going to give you some introduction to the VirtualBox, which is in Kali Linux. Here is our devices and machine settings. I am going to teach you in the further video about this. So hope you like this video, and please subscribe our channel for the next upcoming video.